In at this hour, Florence is a dangerous Category 3 with wind.
Storm, it's the lowest pressure makes landfall near Wilmington, North Carolina. The powerful Category 1 hurricane
On a coast are being hit just as hard as Wilmington. David Begnaud is on radio.
Just look at this pier. The 9 to 13 foot surge isn't anywhere near here.
At some point, we're going to have to move back up to the balcony for shelter. But since we last talked, you can start to see.
Okay, so far since Hurricane Florence has supposed to been arriving, since Wednesday I have not been to work because we've been closed, and kids got out of school early, I think Wednesday as well, and school's been closed yesterday and today. So yeah, and this is what we have gotten so far. Just heavy wind, a flash flood warning, but the only thing we're unaware of is how badly it is in other places, so, in North Carolina or South Carolina as well. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So I'm gonna show you guys the food and things that we got for this hurricane. So can't even see right here, but we got some Pop-Tarts and whatever this is. Can't really see that, but yeah. So we got some noodles, some ginger ale, and we got some apples. It's kind of dark in here, so. But we got some canned food, a lot of canned food. And when I tell y'all that all the canned foods in the store were gone, they were gone. And we still got the norm food going on that we already had. But we got some games. And we just in case the power went out. And then I guess this is dinner that they cooked just in case the power did go out. It'll be already cooked. How do you feel about being in your first hurricane? I'm playing with the kids. We built them a fort. And they look so cute. Right, Tandy? Our backup generator that we got. And a couple other cords and things to help us survive in this if the weather was supposed to go out. Because they told us it was going to be a Category 5. So I'll put whatever news things that I can find for hurricane. Here is everything that we brought from outside. As you can hear the wind, we brought from outside to the inside, so nothing would blow over. So we got the chairs, the trash can, the gas tanks, the fire starter thingy, blower, and yeah, everything that was outside we brought inside. So in my house, every window is blue taped across. I'm assuming it's to keep it from like breaking or whatever the case is. I'm not quite sure. We just had to do that. That's all I know. This is day 1 of Hurricane Florence. And I live in North Carolina. So, I don't know what category it is right now. I believe it's a Category 1. But we started from a Category 5, which you saw in the previous video. And we have high winds, rain, and we also got flash flood warning this morning. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And it's very heavy winds. Like you feel like your house is about to fall. That's how strong the winds are. But yeah, this is what it's looking like outside right now. It's really windy. House is gonna catch hell. Look at how fast the clouds are moving. Usually they just sit in there.
Taste it, man, taste. She didn't shoot. Right. Chase.
Wilmington, Steve.
Out there, I'm not seeing any sign that the power's on.
No. There's no power. The only lights you're going to see is the media that's down here. And